to bring her a secret home.
Hello. Secret keeper. I've just written a letter to Joshua and just now I can't depose. Oh,
To the oven.
how much? How much?
15 weeks.
You're right.
We've had secrets and secrets.
I'm a grandmother yet. Let's go tell Dad.
Where's Dada?
He's at the coffee. I do not believe what I